In this video, we will create splash poster design in Canva. Let's see the steps how to create that. It will work like this. Open a blank video page, click on elements, in search box, search for paint splash, add this one. Now increase its size, rotate, and now increase size from these ends. Now click on color. Let's select this color. Click on elements, in search box, search for curve brush. Let's select this one. Increase its size, place it here, click on color and change background color to white. Now add a heading. Let's add here Sydney. Click on effects, then in shape select this one, curve, increase its curve and place it in the middle like this. Now click on font, change its font to Leak Spartan. Place it in middle. Click on share, download. From here select as PNG and download this. Now add another page, click on elements, search for Sydney, click on photos, let's select this photo, add downloaded image, now place it like this. Now click on apps. In the search box, search for blend. Click on this first blend app. Now for top layer, select this image, and for bottom layer, select this image. In the blend mode, select screen. Now click on add to design. It's added. You can add new page and add it on the new page. It will look like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.